everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a very long time. As time goes on, I'm just going to be unfolding and unwrapping the stories behind my long break. But for today, I'm going to be washing my hair. My hair has been in a ponytail for the past 3 to 4 days, and I used the got to be glue. I'll attach the picture of that style to the screen so you see how gorgeous that style was. Sorry. And I'm taking it down. I already took it down today. I'm also going to be showing you guys the processes or how I trim my hair myself. I do that myself for now, but when I get to a place where there's a professional hairstylist who can give me a trim or a haircut, I'll definitely go for that. So I'm going to be using these scissors as I forgot my hair shears or hair scissors in school, so I'm just going to go with this. So just let's get right into this video. So I'm done with this side of my hair and I'm going to be moving to this other side of my hair. I'm trying to be quick with my trim because I have little or no time to spare, so I'm just trying to go in so fast with this. I'm just going to show you guys basically what I'm doing for the trim. My ends are rough already. I noticed that about 2 or 3 weeks ago, but then I don't bother to trim them before travel, so now it is like looking horrible, and my last wash day did not go as planned. So this is what I'm going to be letting go from the hair. Yeah, so that is just it. I'm not so crazy about the length right now, just all about healthy hair, a healthy and a hair with so much volume. That's what I'm about. So I mean, my hair on the Monday wouldn't do up to 6 or 7 on one side of it, but now it's like 6 or more than that on one side. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's like 6 on one side, and that's like my goal for 2021. Initially when I started, I was like, oh, it's the length for me, the length or nothingness. But along the line I just noticed, so what's there to have length when your hair is not healthy? So this is the rough stage of my hair. I'm not applying anything on my hair for now, so I'm just going to comb this out and trim that rough edge of my hair. That's all I'm doing for now before I go in with my deep conditioner. So when it comes to trimming of hair, it is inevitable. Whether your hair is on protective style all year round or you wear out your hair, trimming your hair is inevitable. You will definitely have to trim your hair. Just the same way you get to at the end of the year, you notice that some of your clothes are worn out, or at the end of a month you notice that, oh, there's a little tear in your dress and you just need to stitch it up. That's just the way hair is. But hair is the other way around, because now you notice that, oh, my hair is looking rough or is rough at the ends, and I just need to let go of my particular part of your hair. So the most amazing thing when it comes to trimming of hair, or when it comes to split ends, they are called split ends, is that you're going to see products that will tell you, okay, this is what our products can do for your split ends. They can help revive them. Split ends are split ends. Once you have split ends, or once you see that your ends are looking shabby, they're looking rough, you do away with them. Split ends don't mean that you don't take care of your hair. It doesn't mean that you are rough with your hair. It just simply means that my hair is long overdue. That particular part of my hair, the ends of my hair, they are long overdue for a trim, and I just need to cut them out to enable the ends look fresher and to avoid further hair breakage, because the split lines can go all the way down to the roots of your hair. So that's one of the reasons why you must let go of split ends and not try to pamper them or treat them with hair product. So this is the second to the last section, and I will be done with trimming my hair. And I think this is either my second to the last wash day for the year 2021, or probably I'll add one more extra wash day. So I don't know about you, but I think my goal for 2021 hair wise, I achieved that. My hair looks fuller, it looks bigger, it looks longer. It's longer, not it looks, it's longer, it's fuller, and it looks more healthier than it was in 2020. I mean, if anyone had told me when I was relaxed that my hair would be this long and my edges would be looking this beautiful, like the style I did over the weekend, I wasn't worried about my edges, because at one point I used to be like, oh, when I put my hair in like an all back ponytail, what's my edges going to look like? Is it going to be looking scanty? Because I already have this permanent space here. So, and I've come to accept that, babe, this is how your edges look like. This is what it looks. No amount of magic oil, amount of hair oil is going to, you know, change that. I've come to accept that my hair, the rate at which my hair grows is actually slow. It is not too fast, and it's not too too slow. So if someone achieves like tailbone in like 2 years or 3 years or whatever, I just know that that will not be my hair. I mean, yeah, but then I can't really conclude, because I've never seen my hair in its full, you know, glory. I've never really partnered with a professional or with a medical doctor or wherever it is, a coil specialist, to know the full potentials of my hair. And that is one of the goals I have for 2022, to partner with a coil specialist to wear my hair out in its natural coils more than wearing them in stretched stages or in a stretched way. So I'm just, you know, trying to put my money together, because I mean, partnering with a coil specialist is money, your time, your energy, and your willingness to accept a better method, or a method that is, you know, going to suit your lifestyle more. So guys, this is all for the trimming. I'm trying so hard to include the deep conditioning process, but that won't be possible because I don't want to upload a really long video.